Hello, this recording is of me reading the final to you. All right, if we look, part one is a quiz. So go ahead and click on this link to take the quiz, and then I will meet you back here after you complete it. Okay, now we are moving on to part two, which is creating a Google Doc. As you can see, our finished product will look like this picture. So to create the Google Doc, first start by creating a blank Google Doc. Number one, rename the document with your last name, a hyphen, and Google Assessment Part 2. Change the page color to light blue 3. Number 3, change page margins to 0.5 on all sides. Number 4, insert title text and change font to Anton, size to 60, and color to blue. Number 5, insert clip art of lion by searching the web. Number 6, recolor the image to blue. Number 7, resize image to similar as shown without distorting and center it. Number 8, add an image border that is blue, 4 points, and dashed. Number 9, type in the Northwest R1 School District's mission statement and change the font to Times New Roman, size 36, and dark blue 3 font color. Number 10, bold, mission of Northwest School District, underline the word respectful, responsible, and resilient lifelong learners, and italicize the word success. If you did this correctly, then your finished product will look pretty much the same as what you see here. Now we move on to part 3. Part 3 is a Google slide. So begin by creating a blank Google slide. Number 1, rename the document with your last name hyphen Google Assessment Part 3. Number 2, change the theme to pop. Number 3, adjust the slide master to match below. As you can see, this has been changed to blue, and I don't think you have to change the background, but the background is white. So our first slide should look exactly like this, except you're going to put your name in it, obviously. Number 4, insert a title in 2-column slide, which you can see below. Number 5, enter text shown, including inserting bullets where shown. Number 6, change the title text to size 48, which is up here, and content text to size 24, which is the rest. Next, number 7, insert a blank slide. Number 8, insert image of lion as the background. Number 9, insert word art text #LionNation and adjust the size to be similar to what is shown below. Number 10, change font of word art to alert to stencil, fill color to blue, border color to white, and adjust border weight to 2 points. Now we are done with the Google slide. Next, we move on to our final part, part 4, which is a Google Sheet. Begin by creating a blank Google Sheet. Rename the document with your last name hyphen Google Assessment Part 4. Number 2, enter the column headers, row titles, and data shown below into the sheet. Enter a formula in column D that tells us the amount of games the team lost. There are 162 games in a baseball season total. I give you the wins. Guess what? They lost all the other games. Number 4, enter a formula in column E that divides runs scored by the number of games. Now remember, there's 162 games. This will tell us how many runs were scored per game. Number 5, use the sum function in range B11 to E11 to find the totals of each column. So that would be these 4 cells right here. Number 6, use the average function in range B12 to E12 to find the average of the data in the table. That would be these cells here. Highlight all of the information and round the numbers to the thousands place and place a border around all of the information. The thousands place is 3 spots after the decimal point. And by data, I mean all the numbers. Number 8, select the information in column A. So start at team, highlight all the way down to Braves. So just like that. Hold Control and select the information in column C. So highlight from wins down to row 10. So we're starting here and go to there. Once you have both sets of information highlighted, insert a bar chart to represent the data. Number 10, move the bar chart to its own sheet. As you can see here, this is what your bar chart will look like when you're done. And once you have that completed, you have completed the final. So you can go ahead, make sure you're turning in 3 different files. You should be turning in a Google Sheet, a Google Slide, and a Google Doc to the same Google Classroom assignment post. Thanks.